in the deli. We will cut a lot of cheese in the deli. Our samples are just a tease in the deli. We make sandwiches all day in the deli. In the deli. In the deli. Our potato salad is okay in the deli. We make sandwiches your way in the deli. We slice meat thick or thin in the deli. In the deli, woo! We want you, we want you, we want you to enjoy our food. We want you, we want you, we want you to enjoy our food.